So if you're like me, you probably bought this remote control from Amazon. They send you this paper, looks like a book, which you probably won't understand anything, just like it happened to me. Instead, watch this few minutes video and I'll show you exactly how to do it really quick. Today we're programming a garage door remote control and opener. So we have the LiftMaster Elite Series Logic 4.0. Here's the procedure. Straightforward. Take your remote. On the back, you're gonna see a little button right here in the middle. What you're gonna do, you're gonna take the clip that comes with it and you're gonna press on the little button over here. Okay, now it's light up. Now you need to press this 2 times. One, 2. Now press another button just to release it. And now the light will turn off. Next step, come into your LiftMaster and you're gonna find there's a button called radio. It's right there. Where it says radio. I hope you can see it. Then press on it and there's a little light that will light. There you go, you see that yellow light that lit up. Now press on your remote once. Now go on the top and press again here on the radio to turn it off. Now it's off. And now we're gonna press twice on this button. Actually one time, not even 2 times. And there you have it. That's how you program a remote control. That's how you program a LiftMaster remote control Logic 4.0. Let's confirm it works. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you did, hey, give me a like and a subscribe. Thank you.